Yeah. Brushing my hair and it feels amazing. Guys, I found a really awesome mac and cheese recipe, which is supposed to copy Panera's mac and cheese recipe. I haven't had Panera's mac and cheese, so I don't really know. But it was really good. Sasha, what's your opinion?
It was really good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. And I have a couple more recipes of foods that I'm going to be making, and I'm really excited.